Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about the recent ask by some developers to commit daily to the mainline or the trunk and the implications of that ask to software quality. Let's go. Hey everyone, this is Venkat Ramakrishnan from Software Testing and Quality Talks, back with a new episode. In the last episode, we talked about knowing the difference between fast fixes and fast releases and its implications on software quality. There is another important topic that's worth a mention, which is about committing code daily and possibly multiple times. The intent behind this ask seems to be to deliver smaller chunks of functionality so that the entire cycle of developing, testing, and releasing can be simpler and easier compared to large changes which are difficult to implement and test and possibly risky too. But this ask has taken a different dimension. As this message is being pushed and promoted in social media, developers might think that this is some kind of mandate and they need to commit even if there is no real need. If a software module or a functionality which needs to be delivered in full is split into illogical multiple commits, integration testing and system testing become difficult and sometimes even impossible. While deciding to commit, it should be taken into consideration whether the functionality delivered can be tested independently and as a whole with respect to system tests so that there is confidence towards the system and its quality. Instead of that, if someone is asking to simply commit daily without due consideration about the impact on the other teams, functionality, or the end users from a quality perspective, it is simply absurd. That's what I had to talk about in this video. Please feel free to let me know of your comments in the comments section and I will respond to your comments there. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to get to know as and when new videos get released in this channel. Thank you so much for your attention and time, and talk to you soon in the next video. Ciao.